I'm going to show you how to check non-followers on Snapchat. So it's really easy. All you really need to do is make sure that your Snapchat account is public, or you have turned on the story settings to public. So let's do that. Just go ahead and open your Snapchat, and once you're here, tap on the top left button or the top right button right here. And once you're here, look at the top right corner where you can see a gear icon. Just go ahead and tap there. You just need to find your story settings. So you can see view my story option and privacy controls right here. Just go ahead and tap here. And now you can choose who can see or view your story. So if you tap on custom, then you can choose or unchoose people and see who viewed it. So if you want to check non-followers on Snapchat, then this is how you do it. You can also just look at the lower bar where you can see this option right here is and now you would see all the stories and posts of people you don't follow or non-followers on Snapchat.
I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.